Ang agreement ay yung BGC will be the party for the 40 na political party nominees. So sila yung political party na yun ang iboboto ng mga tao. Yung district ay pangalan naman talaga mag-a-appear doon eh. So hindi masyado material yung political party nila doon. Yung names ng candidates for the specific districts ang lalabas doon. So pinapaliwanag na rin namin sa mga constituents kung papaano yung process ng voting. Kasi mataas pa yung percentage na hindi alam kung paano yung pagboto sa... Siyempre, first parliamentary elections ito eh, sa BARM.
So, paliwanag naman yung coalition ng BGC, sino ang kasama dito, and of course, sir, tell us about yung salam na solution.
Opo, yung coalition ho, originally was conceptualized to constitute different registered regional political parties. So like SIAP, na essentially political party ng provincial governor ng Lanao del Sur, BPP na political party nila former armed governor Mujib Hataman from Basilan, and then yung Salam, which is the political party ni Governor Sakur, and then Al-Ittihad na political party naman ni Governor Mangudadato ng Maguindanao. Ang initial idea was to register as a formal coalition of registered political parties. Ang naging challenge lang ay yung timelines established by the Commission masyadong malalapit na if we go through the sequence of registering first yung individual regional political parties of the governors, magti-take time yun bago isunod na i-register naman yung coalition of the registered political parties. So instead of going through that process, ang ginawa ay sinimplify na mag-register ng political party na regional pero ikakabit na yung coalition. At nag-contribute na lang ng tao yung mga political parties constituting supposedly the coalition. So kami sa Cotabato, pinabigay kami ng mga tao na ilalagay doon sa SGA, sa Lanao del Sur, and across the different provinces. So yun ang nangyari. So yun ang niregister para yun ang maging vehicle for the political party nominees.
Just to clarify, sir, because BGC and all the parties except Governor Sacortans, they all receive accreditation.
Yes.
Pero ang isusulat sa ballot ng voters,
BGC lang.
BGC
BGC lang. For the coalition, ang kinakampanya at pinapaliwanag natin sa mga taong kailangan nilang tingnan at iboto ay yung political party na BGC. Hindi na isasali yung ibang political parties ng, halimbawa, SIAP, Ittihad at saka yung Salam.